Right now we are here at Ayala Perez, and you know what? We are surprised, very much surprised that we had the only Filipino tech brand in local manufacturing here in the country since 1988 na hindi natin alam. Kung familiar kayo, lahat naman tayo familiar doon sa Redpack, and our honor to interview the CEO of ALE Component. Their brand is Redpack Technology, no other than Andy Pen. Yes,
good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. Sir Andy, I was surprised. Matagal na pala na may manufacturing about sa computer. Hindi pa uso ang AI, hindi pa tayo fourth industrial revolution. Ay, meron na pala tayo sa bansa.
Yes po.
Ano po yung mga showcase natin
So
ngayon?
right now actually we're showcasing, kunin ko lang po.
Apo.
Excuse lang. Pwedeng kahit. This one po. This one is actually a computer. It's a gaming computer already. So it's in the form factor of keyboard. So instead of bringing the entire high-performance computer with you, you just need to bring this keyboard which has built-in computer na naka-fold siya. So ito yung, this one comes with the R7, so it's a very high specs, good for gaming. Then ginagamit po siya dito is, excuse me, ito po yung match with the glasses. So you just need to connect this. Once you connect this, you have your entire computer with you.
Ano po yan? AR? AR po yung glass niya?
This is actually a monitor.
Monitor.
So this is a 120 inches monitor. Yes. So right now actually we're the first one. All the big brands don't have this yet. So I can say that we're the first one in the world.
Ibig sabihin po ay innovation tayo.
Yes po.
Ano pong tawag dyan?
I'm sorry.
Ano pong tawag dyan?
We're branding this as a Key Fusion. It's a Redpack Key Fusion.
Yan. Kailangan malaman at matinig to ni Secretary Sunod-sunod ng Department of Science Technology na meron tayong dapat maging proud na Filipino manufacturer. Ano pa po yung exciting na dapat natin showcase na malaman ng 120 Pilipino?
Ito po yung another product. Right now, we focus more on the multi-screen. Okay, so itong triple screen laptop na to is, we're also the first in the world. Okay?
Oo nga po, nakita ko parang bahay, may bintana siya.
Yes po. So ano siya, ganyan po siya. So we feel kasi the need of people using multiple monitors. Like when you're at work, you need to have like let's say one screen for surfing internet, then another one maybe nag-zoom, then the other one maybe you're controlling remote. Okay, so when you use a single screen, medyo hindi nako-compromise yung ano kasi you have to switch the tabs eh. Okay, then what we do is with the triple screen you can have multiple displays and you can bring it anywhere. Kasi ang ginagawa ng mga tao before, like what I'm doing, hirap ako pag isang screen lang eh. So I always plug more monitors so desktop, but I cannot bring
Another
it out.
gadget for Zoom.
Yes, what we did is we developed this with two more screens na ganyan lang siya, na naka-built-in talaga siya, directly connected to the PCIe of the motherboard. Then, ganun siya, madadala mo siya kahit saan. So, it's like a typical laptop.
Oh, parang pag tinignan mo siya, there's a typical. But pag binuksan na, doon na nagkakaiba.
Yes po. So, this one I can proudly say that we're also the first in the world. So, no other brands has launched this.
Kailangan nila malaman yan. At sir, bukod pa po dyan, meron pa po tayo na mga iba na only at the Redpack.
Other than this, we also have the, yun nga, na-mention ko na kanina yung glasses. This one actually also, may mga ibang brands na kasi nag-launch eh. But in fact, we developed this earlier than them. Hindi lang namin talaga nag-launch. In fact, I can send you the profile. Actually, if you look at the profile, we're the first in a lot of things. Pero unfortunately, we cannot compete with the big guys. So, nauuna kami maglabas, pero nauuna mag-launch ang mga big guys.
I'm curious po about the IPO, yung intellectual property niya. Naka-IPO po ba siya?
Honestly, hindi po.
Kay kumaga, yun po yung nakita ko na isa nagiging problem because the government are willing to help those like you na talagang kailangan ng industry natin na meron na pala tayong computer local manufacturer here na Pilipino for the
Actually, if you
Filipino.
look at our milestone, no, we're the first one actually who introduced the black one. Nung time ng 1990s, white pa lang yung computer. Kami ang nagpauso ng black. Then, another thing is, yung boot screen, like lahat ngayon ng mga computers ngayon, pag boot mo may logo. Kami rin ang nauna doon kasi we were doing motherboard that time. Okay? And another thing na pinanghihinayang ko is ito. The all-in-one PC, which was just launched, I think few years ago by several brands. Kami, noong 2002 pa lang, na-develop na namin to using CRT monitor pa. And ang pinaka nakakahinayang is, ang brand na, ang niligay naming model name was iPad. Pero hindi namin na-patent.
O yun, kaya po
Yun
yun ang
actually
tinanong ko sa inyo na isa sa nakita kong
Yes,
problem na we're Filipino, pero kumbaga dahil nga yung iba may takot na ipa-IPO, kaya sa halip na sa atin mapunta yung protection for our invention, innovation, ay napupunta sa iba.
Yes po.
Opo. Yes, Sir Andy, ano po yung may panawagan po ba kayo? Especially, parang nakita ko na you really need to link urgently to the Department of Science and
Certainly, I really
Technology.
hope that if the OST can